Every smartphone starts as an idea, an object of desire, engineered for both beauty and function. But how does this idea become reality? It all begins in vast high-tech factories like this one. Every curve, button, and material is carefully considered to deliver a seamless user experience. Engineers create detailed technical drawings and CAD models, refining every component before production begins. The level of miniaturization is astonishing. Microscopic screws and connectors are engineered for perfect fit. Teams of designers and engineers collaborate, testing ideas and solving problems before a single part is made. Every material and mechanism is tested and evaluated to ensure quality and durability. Advanced CAD software lets designers visualize and perfect the phone in 3 dimensions before manufacturing begins. Before production begins, final design documents must be officially approved, marking the transition from concept to reality. Raw materials and components arrive from all over the world, organized in massive warehouses ready for assembly. Each smartphone contains hundreds of intricate parts, all carefully designed to fit together in a compact space. Key components like processors, memory chips, and camera modules are engineered with microscopic precision. The global supply chain connects manufacturers, suppliers, and logistics partners across continents. Semiconductor chips begin as pure silicon wafers manufactured in ultra-clean environments. Rare earth elements, battery materials, and display glass are sourced and refined in specialized facilities. Once materials arrive at the factory, they're carefully sorted and inventoried for the assembly process. On the assembly floor, teams of workers and robots collaborate to build each device with speed and accuracy. Robotic arms handle delicate components, working alongside skilled technicians to ensure perfect placement. The motherboard is assembled with extreme care, as every connection must be flawless for the phone to function. Precision soldering attaches microchips to the circuit board, creating the phone's electronic brain. Camera modules, sensors, and other components are carefully installed, bringing the device closer to completion. Each component, like the battery and screen, is installed with extreme precision to ensure a perfect fit and reliable connection. The assembly process brings together all the intricate parts, layer by layer, until the phone takes its final shape. Before leaving the assembly line, each phone must pass a series of rigorous quality control checks. In the quality control area, technicians use advanced equipment to test every function of the finished phones. Tests include checking screen responsiveness, button functionality, and battery performance to guarantee a flawless user experience. Durability tests like drop and water resistance trials ensure each device can withstand real-world challenges. Phones that don't meet these high standards are rejected, maintaining the brand's reputation for quality. Once approved, each phone is cleaned, polished, and carefully packaged, ready for its journey to customers around the world. Packaged phones travel by air, rail, and road, connecting factories to stores and customers across the globe. And finally, the journey ends where it began, with someone picking up their new smartphone, ready to connect with the world. From design and assembly to testing and shipping, every step is part of the incredible journey behind each device. This is the story of how your smartphone comes to life, an extraordinary process from concept to reality.